Hey everybody, it's Brent in Central Arkansas. We're going to do the grow. This time we're going to grow Shiso, S-H-I-S-O. It's the red variety. Starts with a P, Perellium, something or another. Anyway, doesn't really matter. This is a request grow, and I've got 30 grams here. And I've got my preventative antifungal. I'm going to spray it on top of my fine screen mesh tray. My fine screen first. Then I'll spread the seed. And after I spread the seed, I'll hit it again with my preventative antifungal, and then we'll set it on the tray to start growing. This is a small seed, that's why we're using the small screen. We're going to treat this just like any other microgreen grow you may see most places, except that I've never grown it before and I'm not using any kind of medium and growing directly on the screens. This way I don't have to keep buying more cocoa coir or potting mix or testing various potting mixes and all that, because I've tested these screens to the nth degree and they work great. So I will finish that out and then I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. There it is on the screen. This screen, everything I use is food grade, including this cover here. You see here it's NSF labeled, and I put that cover, which weighs just about 4 pounds, directly in the tray, just like that. Now that'll keep the moisture in, it'll help the seeds germinate. Last thing we're going to do is put a blackout dome, and that's going to help keep the moisture and humidity in here and prevent the seeds from drying out. We don't want these babies to dry out. You can see here too, I've got a heat mat, and I'm going to keep that about 75 to 78 degrees. Shiso's looking pretty good. You can see a lot of germination. I'm going to hit it with the preventative antifungal. Give it a quick shake. I put a dome on the Shiso today. Pretty plants, a pretty microgreen Shiso, however you say it. Dark leaves, the true leaves on this Shiso is very dark. They're, well, not very dark, but they're definitely darker than the cotyledons. It's a very cool microgreen, very cool. Shiso is a little bit above the tray now, which is what I want. It's beginning to grow the really cool true leaves on here, and I'm not sure when I'm going to take this, but it will be pretty soon. What you see on either side are the brassica mix. It's actually got alfalfa and clover and other things in it, but and it's encroaching on it, but that's what happens when you grow a lot of different types on there. Shiso is quite large now. I've been busy, but I should have probably harvested this a couple days ago or more. The true leaves are definitely coming out big time, and it's very pretty. It's very pretty, and if I go in between these, you can see some of the smaller ones, which are also quite unique. So I need to harvest that. I'm going to do that today. First thing we do is we turn on the scale. I've got an empty tub here the exact same kind as this tub here with the microgreens in it. I've got a glass here that I'll put on first, and that's so that we can elevate the microgreens. It's going to rest on top of the glass, and we'll still be able to see the screen here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the empty one on, and I'm going to zero it out. That means when I put this tray on, that will be nothing but microgreens weight. And it's not going to weigh that much because it's an herb and it just doesn't weigh that much. Okay, for some reason it's on kilograms. Let's get to grams. It's 230 grams. That's not very much. 8.1 ounces. And now, because it grows so long, and let's see how much it is in pounds. It's a half a pound, and because it grows so long and because it's such a unique microgreen, it may be a niche microgreen. It's something to consider. I have not seen anyone do this, or maybe any one of the regulars grow Shiso microgreens. So this is my first attempt at it, and that's what I got, half a pound. This is Brent, and we'll see you guys later.